Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Columbia waterproof jacket. So this is a navy color, I believe. I will drop a link in the description below on where I got it from. But with all the rain where I'm at, need this Omni-Tech. Let's show you all. So it's called, what is this called? Columbia Omni-Tech. Boom. So it has the logo up here. And pretty standard waterproof jacket hoodie. Has the Velcro on each hand. Looks good. And let's see, good zipper up here. Breathable inside. And good for the rain when it's raining. So yeah, let me know what you think of this jacket in the comments below. And again, I'll drop a link to where I got it from. And please let me know what you think, and I will see you for the next unboxing. And hope you're all doing well. Take care. Bye.